Okay, so nowadays people are not used code from the scratch. Okay, it's time consuming as well. Okay, so that this framework are coming into the place, that framework will give you the boilerplate code. Okay, boilerplate code means it will come some predefined functionality will come into the place from the predefined plate. Whatever you want, that you can take it, and top of that, if you want, you can apply your custom styling. Okay, so here I have listed some CSS framework. Out of this, I'm going to take you to this Bootstrap only. If you want, you can take a look at this other CSS framework. Okay, so if you click this link, it will take you to the getbootstrap.com. Let me take you to there, and yeah, here it is. So get started with the Bootstrap. So Bootstrap, was most of them prefer to use the Bootstrap. It was the responsive web design we can create by using this. All the framework is supporting responsive web design, but Bootstrap will prefer more by all the web developer. Okay, and here we will get to know how to use this Bootstrap that I will take you to. So I will give you some walkthrough about some component only. I'm not going to cover all the component. Otherwise, it will be this session will take more time. Okay, I will give you idea about how to use that, how to use the component from here. From there, you can take it up. Okay, so let me show you. So this is the Bootstrap, and likewise, this is the UI kit framework. This also we can use it for our CSS and the Metro UI. So Metro UI also you can take a look at it, and this is a semantic UI. So I have worked on all the framework. Within that, I very much interest with the Bootstrap only. Well, it's very much easy to use, so that I prefer this one. Okay, so just that will give you the some quick starter guide, so you can start with that. Okay, so you can as usually create a HTML. After that, you need to import this Bootstrap min CSS and Bootstrap JS file. Okay, they always prefer to use the JS at the before the body tag, before the closing tag of body. Okay, so and also you can use it before within the head container also, but performance wise, closing body tag before that we can add, that will give you performance. Okay, so CSS we have added within the head tag, and JS we have added in the before closing of body tag. Okay, so those things you can copy it from here, and you can put it in your HTML file. Okay, directly once you're done, don't take a look at it here. If you are clear, you can take a look at it. Otherwise, you can directly jump to the breakpoint section. This section will tell you how to understand the breakpoint to use this Bootstrap framework. Okay, previous video we have seen the example with the call sum4, right? What does it mean? Sum means small. Okay, so for a medium, it will annotate with the MD. For a large, LG, extra large, XL, extra large means double XL. So these are the dimension. Exam means mobile view. Medium means we can take an example of a tablet view, and 992 means tablet is in a vertical position, horizontal position. When you rotate the tablet view, you will get this dimension as a width. Okay, so this is for the laptop, this is for the desktop. So based on this class infix get called. Okay, so when you use call sum4, this will take a look at this one, I mean this dimension. Instead of sum, if you add a MD, this will consider this case. Okay, so likewise we can add it. Even if you have a call LG4 for a lower resolution of devices, right, screens, right, if you're not mentioning it, this will take you the control. So no need to mention LG4 like a SM4, not necessary. If it is a LG4 divided into 3 column, even though if it is a smaller device also, it will be treated as a 3 column. Only if you want to display 3 column. Otherwise, you can change it to what needs to be rendered for the mobile display. Based on that, you can change that accordingly. Okay. So this much is enough from here. And below you can see the media queries and take a look at here. So here they have added how it will be look like for the small device landscape, and this is for the tablets, this is for the desktops, larger desktops. So like that, you can copy that breakpoints media queries. If you want, you can add it in your custom CSS file. Okay, let me take you to the next section, containers. So the containers are a fundamental building block of Bootstrap that contain, pad and align your content. So we have seen container fluid, right? Container fluid and a container. So what is the use of that container fluid in the container? Container means it occupies full width. Container fluid means container means it will be come with some padding margin. So that purpose we have used it, and we will get to know those things. But take a look at this alone. That is fine. Don't take a look at it all. Don't try to understand all the thing. Once you get to know, once you try something, you will get to know automatically. Okay. So this much is enough for the content section. Let me take you to the grid section. Okay. Grid also we have seen the last section. I told you, right? Within the row, how many column we need to specify. Okay. So by default, it will be, the row will be treated as a 100%. Okay. If it is 100%, it will be replaced with a Bootstrap 12 grid framework, which means they have mentioned it here. You will get to know clearly. If you are not clear, please try to understand. Okay. See here, class prefix they have added for extra small. For SM, we need to add like this for MD, medium, large, extra large, and extra large. So like that, if you want to add a call SM12, it will be occupy full width. And if you want to occupy 3 row, then you need to mention the respective prefix we need to add followed by the 4. If it is a 4, how will you divide 12 into 4? 3, 3, 3, 3. So likewise, you need to split up. Okay. So I will take you to the whiteboard. From there, I will give you some insight about it. So here they have give some auto layout columns. Okay. So that also you can take a look at it. But I will share the whiteboard again for your understanding purpose only. I am taking you to that. We have already seen this one. This is 100%. Okay. Within the 100%, if you mention call SM12, call MD12 means entire column will occupy 100%. Okay. If you want to divide each SM1 means you need to mention 12. SM1 likewise we need to add a 12. How will you split up into with a 2? You need to those things. I mean, if you mention call, let's take an example, LG or a MD. Okay. LG. Okay. So if it is a 1 means you need to mention 12 unit of column. If it is a 2 means, you need to mention 6 into 12 to 12. So this is the calculation. How you want to divide this 12 column. Okay. So if you mention a 2, you can mention 6 units. If you mention a call LG3 means you can mention 4 like this. 1, 2, 3. Rest of them you can consider as a 3. It's not equal with. Okay. If it is a 4 means you can mention 1, 2. If it is a 6 means, how will you divide? Equally 50%. So this call mg or lg, let's say md6, and this as well call md6. So this is how the grid structure will work out. Okay, I hope you clear on this one. Let me take it to the site. See here, they didn't mention anything about specifically. They have mentioned call. Call means 1 of 3 and call 6. Okay. So here they have it adjusted automatically. Okay. It take you to the call 6 as the first, then the rest of them will divide into 3 column. Okay. So this up to you. I hope you clear on this one. Okay. When you see below one, LG call 2. Here LG call 2. So this and this will give you variable with content. Okay, this is the MD, right? So MD means this occupancy is a first occurrence. So this will take you, just a minute, variable with content. Okay, you can see the first example. So this and this equal with, and this one is automatically based on this 2. But where you refer this one, which one is more priority? This call LG2. Call LG2 comes first, then this comes next, this comes next. So based on the priority level, this will be adjusted the breakpoint value. I hope you clear on this. If you are not clear, please try to work out on this alone. First clear this one, then you can work on the further. Yeah, here you can see the furthermore. See how they splitted the rows 8 and 4, which means 8 column it occupied the first column, 4 part, I mean SM4 occupied the second column. Okay. So if you mention the row, if you are not mentioning any value like this, it will be divided automatically. Look at this. So this is the call MD8 and this is call MD4. So all together it should be 12. Okay. And yeah, this is what about grid layout in a Bootstrap framework. I hope you clear on this. If you are not clear, please let me know. I will clarify you. Thank you.